Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Help. Instead of clicking on it right away, simply hover your mouse cursor over it. When you do this, a secondary menu will slide out to the side, showing you additional help-related options. In this secondary menu, you'll see an option that says About Google Chrome or About Chrome. Click on this option to proceed. This action will open a new tab or window within Chrome that displays detailed information about your current browser version. Once the About Chrome page opens, Chrome will automatically begin checking for updates. You'll see your current version number displayed on the screen, and the browser will start searching for any available updates immediately. This happens in the background without requiring any additional input from you. Now, take a look at what appears on the screen. This is where you can determine whether your Google Chrome browser is up to date or if there's a newer version available. If Chrome is already running the latest version, you'll see a message confirming that you're up to date. However, if an update is available, Chrome will download it automatically. If an update was found and downloaded, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. This button is important because it allows Chrome to apply the update that was just downloaded. Click the Relaunch button to restart your browser. When you do this, Chrome will close all your open tabs, apply the update, and then reopen with all your previous tabs restored. The entire process usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, your browser will be running the latest version with all the newest features and security improvements. And that's it. Your Google Chrome browser is now updated to the latest version. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.